I recently received my interactive Maker Workshop bundle from SiliCon with Adam Savage. The bundle is for the 90-minute live workshop on October 17th, 2020 at 1 p.m. Pacific Time. I explained the workshop and the bundle in my previous video. If you haven't seen that video yet, the link is in the description below. Let's unbox the box and check out what we got. If you're interested in my coverage of SiliCon with Adam Savage, the playlist link can be found in the description below. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell to see more videos like this. The biggest surprise was the box itself, since I wasn't expecting an Amazon box. Then again, Amazon and Monster Energy Drinks are sponsoring the workshop. A letter from SiliCon with Adam Savage lists what's inside the box. Laser cut cardboard pieces for the fancy helmet, SiliCon trucker hat, SiliCon face mask, Amazon Echo Show 8 Monster Energy drink. If you order the bundle with a hot glue gun, expect to find the hot glue gun and 4 glue sticks. Affiliate links for most items mentioned in this video are in the description below. Besides the hot glue gun, the only other item you need for the workshop is the laser cut cardboard for the fancy helmet. Looking over the cardboard, I have no clue how to put this all together. The pieces smell like burnt wood smoke. Not a pleasant smell in California these days. Trucker hat and face mask has the SiliCon with Adam Savage logo on it. I expected to see the Corona Adam face mask since the email mentioned his face. That reminded me of the Mouth of Sauron in Return of the King. Watching the workshop on the discounted Echo Show 8 was the main selling point of the bundle. I haven't taken it out of the box yet since I don't have the time to set it up and figure out what to do with it. Who drinks this? With the Interactive Maker Workshop bundle worth the $81.04 that I paid for it. Maybe, maybe not. Not everyone's going to need a smart HD display device, swag, and energy drink. I would like to see a laser cut, cardboard only option for future workshops. That's the only part of the bundle I'm really excited about. Thank you for watching.